This is the mortgage housing update as of May 21st, 2026, and let's go through the rates. And the rates are not going in our favor. They are pretty high compared to a couple of weeks ago, 6.67. Yesterday they were at 6.75. They came down around 8 basis points, but still higher than what we really want, right? For your FHA, 6.22. This is your national averages, right? And you can see in another poly graph here that they were showing around 6.89, even higher. So we're giving you a different database to show you the differences there, right? The next Fed meeting is in 25 days, and we don't think there will be any rate cuts because of inflation, 3.8%. Because of this, their hands are pretty much tied for now, right? We probably will get rate hikes, but we will not see any rate cuts anytime soon. So this was the news yesterday. This was the headlines on CNBC that 6.75 was your averaging 30-year fixed mortgage rates, right? So people are still buying, right? You can see that in the last 6 months that this chart that's showing for pending home sales, it's increasing. You can see that for a year, it was on the higher end, and then it started dropping in December when the rates were really high, above 7%. And now in springtime and then now summer, you will see this data go up because people are tired of waiting who really want to purchase, right? And if you were waiting, what is the cost? The cost is going to be your sale price, where you can see in Nassau County here that year over year, around 6% prices were increased, around 6.1% in Nassau County. Every county is going to be different, but if you keep waiting, you will end up paying a little bit higher price because there will be more demand when the rates do come down, okay? And if you're thinking about purchasing a property, you should always start with conventional loan, right? Because with this, that once you hit 20% equity, your mortgage insurance is removed if you put down 5%, 10%, 15%, right? If you go with FHA, FHA is a good loan program, but it's going to cost you nearly 1.75% more because there's a FHA upfront cost, which not a lot of loan officers disclose, but we are very transparent with you. We want to tell you everything and then you decide. And with FHA, if you were to put down 3.5%, 5%, 9%, anything lower than 10%, your mortgage insurance is never going away. And if you were to put down 10% or more on FHA, then it removes after 11 years. Okay, as long as you know those two things, then you can make your decision wisely, right? If you're thinking about buying a house, if you need any pre-approval, if you have general questions, please get in touch.